Multiply 3x plus 5y plus 4z by 2x minus 3y plus z. It's very simple. First, we have what? Solution. Then you write down this, you copy 3x plus 5y plus what? 4z times 2x minus 3y plus z. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Then 3x times minus 3y. This will be minus what? Minus 9xy. Then 3x times z. This will be plus 3xz. 5y times 2x. This will be 10xy. 5y times minus 3y. This will be minus 15y squared. 5y times z plus 5yz. 4z times 2x is what? This plus 8xz. Then 4z times minus 3y minus 12yz. Then 4z times z is what? Plus 4z squared. Then you group it. That's like terms. You group the like terms. This is equal to what? We have only one x squared among it. This will be 6x squared. Then we have xy. Do we have another xy? Yes. Which other xy? No. That is minus 9xy plus 10xy is what? Plus xy. Then which other one? We have xz. 3xz. Which other xz? We have 8xz. Then 3xz plus 8xz will be what? 11xz. We have which other one? 15y squared. We don't have 15. We don't have y squared again. Then we keep that 15y squared. We have yz. Then we have yz again. This is 5yz minus 12yz is what? Minus 7yz. Which other one? We don't have another one again. This is okay. We have 4z squared plus 4z squared. Then all these are unlike terms. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.